So let's talk about orient attribute. It's need us to read transformation on each branch to capture leaves and geometry later. And wire solver do it automatically. So we assign orient attribute before solver, and after solver we has updated orient attribute accordingly. But in our non-simulation system we haven't any orient attribute on the mesh, and we need to build it. And to build it, I will show what we will do. So we have on our point, it's a segment between 2 points, so we have a normal along our segment, and we apply some vector wind to move this point somehow, and new point, let's change the color, so new point, after moving, it's not new point but new segment, will be like this. So we have another normal, and wind can change in next frame, and we will use this normal vector along the segment to build our matrix and create orient attribute on the static geometry. Then when we apply our forces, wind forces, to move our branch, what we will do, we build new vector. We save this old vector on the geometry to know it. We build a new normal vector along this segment, and then we take wind vector as direction, and we make a cross product between these vectors to get like example this normal, this wind, and we create a third orthogonal vector. So it's a normal, it's a wind, and this is our rotation vector will be. So we take this vector and rotate our orient attribute on the angle between old normal and new one. So it will be like this. We will use our cosinus from dot product to find this angle between these vectors, and we rotate our orient attribute around this axis on this angle, and our orient attribute will rotating accordingly like in wire solver.